Alright, hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to be unboxing the ImpulseRC from Apex build. I'm probably going to mess up a lot, but this is my first time doing an unboxing, and eventually I'm going to follow this up with the build. Comes in this nice little handy dandy bag. So I actually cleaned up my whole workstation before I started today, so I could actually do this. It's been months since I've done this, so we're going to open this up together and see what we got. So inside the package, there's the bag. We don't need the bag anymore. No, it's a cool little... Of course, we got a sticker in there and another bag to open. Let's get this open, and toys and all kinds of good stuff. All right, what do we got? Alright, we're going to cut ahead and we're going to start trying to put this little bad boy together. So you get to come along for the ride with me here. So let's start by taking everything out of all our little drug baggies. That's what I call them. We got our two bottom plates. This is obviously our top plate. So far, build quality looks pretty good to me. I only go by what I've flown before, and that's not much. So this is great. All right. So we're gonna do this just to be organized here. I like to not lose all my pieces and parts, but it's a lot easier if you just take them all out and dump them in a little tray like that as you're building. I don't think we need these fancy little holders for our files. And we'll just throw away the bags. We don't need the bags. This is an important piece. We're going to put some of these little tiny pieces that we're going to get to afterwards, just so I don't knock around stuff. Just get it out of the way for right now. I don't have the arms yet. And let's take off the... Alright. This was one little expensive frame. It's the most I've ever spent on a frame. Hopefully it's worth it. Everybody says it is, so I decided to go with it. So, starting off, where do you start? That's a good question. We're going to pause the video for a second. I'm going to go get some instructions.